How to fix Snapchat messages. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it like this and then click on force stop down here, and then click on the storage or the internet storage, click on clear cache and clear data. And then what you want to do next is go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.